Skiers chasing fresh powder need a camera tough enough for the mountains. The best action camera for skiing captures high-speed descents, jumps, and scenic views in crisp detail. From beginner slopes to expert terrain, finding the perfect model elevates your winter. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Insta360 Ace Pro Action Camera. The Insta360 Ace Pro stands out as a premium pick for serious skiers who want top-tier footage that really reflects the thrill of the mountain. Its large 1 to 1.3-inch sensor paired with Leica optics delivers outstanding image quality with impressive dynamic range, making it excellent at handling the bright whites of snow against darker trees or shadows during fast runs. You get smooth 4K 60 FPS video with active HDR that keeps details visible even when racing between sunlit sections and shaded woods, plus the option for 8K 30 FPS when you want maximum resolution for those epic wide shots. The dual AI chips handle noise reduction beautifully, so low light conditions like early morning or late afternoon sessions on the slopes come out crisp rather than grainy. Flow state stabilization keeps everything rock steady despite bumpy terrain or big airs, while the wide 157-degree lens and megaview mode let you capture both the action and the surrounding scenery without constantly adjusting aim. Build quality feels solid and adventure-ready, with waterproofing down to 39 feet and the ability to operate in freezing temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit, which matches real winter skiing conditions perfectly. Audio shines too thanks to the new wind guard that cuts down on noisy gusts at the top of lifts or during high-speed runs. Ease of use is straightforward once you get familiar with the app and controls, though some might find the interface a bit feature-rich at first.
Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. When it comes to reliable performance in cold, demanding environments, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro earns high marks from skiers who need a camera that just works through long days. The 1.3-inch sensor with large pixels and massive dynamic range excels at low-light shooting, which proves useful during overcast days or golden hour runs when contrast between snow and sky can fool lesser cameras. Stabilization reaches impressive levels with 360-degree horizon steady technology that keeps the horizon level no matter how much you twist and turn through moguls or park features. Battery life stands out as a major plus, offering hours of recording even in sub-zero temperatures, so you won't miss late afternoon powder laps because your camera died. The dual OLED touchscreens make framing easy whether you're mounting it on your helmet or chest, and voice control adds convenience when gloves make button pressing tricky. Waterproof rating handles snow, sleet, and even quick dips if you venture near frozen lakes. For skiing specifically, the ability to keep fast-moving subjects centered works great for capturing friends or family on the same run. Build feels durable enough for regular mountain abuse while remaining relatively compact. Users appreciate the clear menus and quick adjustments without needing to remove it often. Some might note that while video quality is excellent, it doesn't push into 8K territory like certain competitors.
Number 3. GoPro Max Action Camera. The GoPro Max brings a completely different approach that appeals to creative skiers who love experimenting with perspective and immersive storytelling on the mountain. Its 5.6K 360-degree video capture means you never have to worry about pointing the camera correctly, since it records everything around you. Perfect for those wild tree runs or group sessions where action happens in all directions. Later reframing in the Quick app lets you turn one clip into multiple angles, from traditional POV to dramatic follow shots of yourself carving through powder. Single lens mode provides familiar hero-style footage in 1080p or 1440p when you want more standard output, along with time-lapse for capturing sunrise over the peaks. Stabilization handles the shakes of skiing effectively, while the stealth mounting option with extension poles create incredible self-capture scenes that look professionally filmed. This versatility shines for content creators documenting full days at the resort or backcountry adventures. Build quality holds up well in winter with good cold tolerance, though users should watch battery life during extended use in freezing conditions. Editing 360 footage takes some practice, but the app simplifies the process with object tracking and easy transitions. Limitations include lower resolution in single lens mode compared to dedicated non-360 cameras, and the need for post-production to get the best results.
Number 4. AKASO Brave 7 LE Action Camera. Budget-conscious skiers looking for solid all-around performance often turn to the AKASO Brave 7 LE because it delivers surprisingly capable footage without demanding a huge investment. The camera handles winter weather well with its IPX7 rating and included waterproof case that takes it down to 131 feet, giving plenty of protection against snow, sleet, and spray. Dual screens make self-framing simple for helmet or chest mounts, especially helpful when you're layered up and want quick checks between runs. It shoots respectable 4K 30 FPS video and 20 megapixel photos that capture the excitement of ski days with good detail, while electronic image stabilization smooths out vibrations from chairlifts or choppy terrain. Various shooting modes like time-lapse and burst photo add flexibility for creative mountain shots, such as sunrise sequences or action sequences of friends hitting jumps. The package includes multiple batteries, a remote, and mounting accessories that expand possibilities right out of the box, making it easy to set up for different skiing styles. Ease of use feels approachable for beginners, with straightforward controls and the front screen satisfying selfie needs during lift rides. While it may not match flagship models in extreme low light or ultra-high frame rates, it performs reliably for most daylight and moderate conditions on the slopes.
Number 5. Ahlirmoy 4K Mini Action Camera. For skiers who prioritize ultra portability and hands-free shooting, the Ahlirmoy 4K Mini Action Camera offers a clever, compact solution that fits seamlessly into active days on the mountain. Its tiny thumb-sized body with magnetic mounting options lets you attach it to helmets, jackets, or goggles without bulk, creating true point-of-view footage that feels natural during high-speed turns and jumps. The 150-degree wide-angle lens combined with 4K 30 FPS resolution captures sharp details of the terrain and scenery, while 6-axis stabilization keeps clips surprisingly smooth despite the constant motion of skiing. Built-in waterproofing to 33 feet handles snow and light moisture without extra cases, and the 150-degree view gives expansive coverage of slopes and surroundings. Wi-Fi connectivity with the companion app enables easy previewing, remote control, and quick transfers to your phone for same-day edits at the lodge. Battery life impresses for its size, especially with the wireless charging case extending total runtime significantly for full resort days. The 64GB internal storage means less worry about running out of space mid-trip. This model suits minimalists, travelers, or anyone wanting discreet recording during backcountry tours or casual resort skiing. Limitations include smaller sensor performance in very challenging light compared to larger cameras, and the need for good mounting to avoid shake in extreme conditions.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.